Fingerprint Door Lock, NDL 100, 500, 600. NITGEN's fingerprint recognition door lock, NDL 100, 500, and 600, along with users' fingerprint information, provide a more convenient and secure way to enter and leave your place. Our door lock series simply resolves all the major problematic issues of the existing door lock types, such as password and card key. With the unique and impressive fingerprint verification system, you don't need to worry about loss, theft, or annoying memory failure anymore. Thanks to the remarkable fingerprint verification technology, not only accurate and hassle-free user verification is achieved, but a maximum of 100 people can take advantage of the system without creating any separate IDs. Most of all, our optical sensor, which is completely different from any conventional semiconductor sensor types, can also be installed outdoors as designed, taking into account harsh outdoor conditions that may cause impact or damage. NITGEN's world-recognized fingerprint verification door lock can be installed virtually anywhere, including houses, apartments, residential commercial complexes, and even high-security zones in financial institutions, research centers, public buildings, and much more.